मैं समझता हूँ कि पहले हम इस मंत्रालय का जो काम है उस पर हम खुद ब्रीफिंग ले लें और फिर आपके साथ आने वाले कुछ दिनों में बैठेंगे और विल शेयर व्यूज। अभी मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगा कि आई फील greatly honored and privileged by the trust that has been reposed by the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has included me as a member of his team and assigned to me the work of this important ministry, which was so ably led by Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji till now. Somebody just asked me what is your biggest challenge, and I said my challenge is to try and fill those shoes and to continue the good work that he has done. The work of this ministry touches the lives of each and every citizen in so many ways, some directly, some indirectly. The energy issues which are critical in the functioning of any economy, more so in the context of an economy like ours, which is a large economy. We were previous period prior to COVID, we were a $2.89 trillion economy. We are working to transition towards a $5 trillion economy, and energy issues have immense potential and also pose several challenges. The need to adapt to changing times, adopt new technologies, and to be in consonance with the energy transition which is taking place across the world, I think provides a fascinating opportunity. I must confess, I'm reluctant to go into substantive issues because unless I'm briefed by my colleague and friend, we worked together when he was holding another post. He was vice chairman of the DDA and I had newly joined as Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs. Once I've received the briefing from Tarun ji and the additional secretaries, and I've had a chance to come to understand the issues involved, which are very important. I will sit down with you, as I said, to have a longer interaction. But I do want to say that as we transition towards a $5 trillion economy, as I said, energy availability and consumption will be of paramount importance. Clearly, our focus will be on increasing domestic production of crude and natural gas, and in line with Pradhan Mantri ji's vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. We will also work towards development of a natural gas-based economy in the country and increase the share of natural gas in the primary energy mix of the country to 15% by 2030, as announced by the Honorable Prime Minister. In the last 7 years, under the able guidance of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji and before that of his predecessor, a number of path-breaking reforms and initiatives have been introduced in this sector. My effort will be to take those forward and to fulfill the expectations of the Prime Minister, our people and the country. Thank you very much. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? नहीं। देखिए, ऐसा है, मैंने पहले ही कह दिया था कि मुझे आप थोड़ा सा मौका दीजिए जो अभी हमारे सामने इश्यूज हैं, to be briefed on them. I would have been surprised if you didn't ask about this question, but equally you will agree it will be very wrong for me to comment on it when I've just stepped into this building 15 minutes ago. You know, but very interesting, जब मैं आज आ रहा था शास्त्री भवन, I recalled, we are now in 2021. In the year 1978, when I was a young undersecretary in the government, तो मैं टोक्यो की पोस्टिंग के बाद आया और मेरा दफ्तर यहाँ पे शास्त्री भवन में था, जो विदेश मंत्रालय है, एक्सपी डिवीजन तब था. So in many ways it feels very nostalgic, but situation is different. और एक चीज़ मैं आपको बता दूँ, my formal training is in an area जहाँ पे जब तक पूरी जानकारी ना हो, one should not give comments. So thank you very much. बहुत धन्यवाद.
Do you think that OPEC in a mood?
मैंने आपको बताया ना, अगर आप समझते हैं कि फ्यूल प्राइस के सवाल को मैं टक कर लूँगा, उसके बाद ओपेक में आ जाऊँगा, तो ओपेक क्या करती है? वही तो करती है इंटरनेशनल. तो इसके I assure you, you can check with your colleagues who cover the other ministries. I'm always open to a discussion, but it would be fair if you give me at least a few days to try and understand the complexity of the work. You know, I have followed the issues covered by this ministry as a citizen, as a diplomat earlier, but it's very different to be a minister. So let me understand it and then we will talk. Thank you.